Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. A very good morning. Let's start with the objective OS. Let's first understand what is a basic objectives or why the objective of OS is about. The basic principle when it comes to objective of OS is one simple thing. While creating operating system, the first question what would come in our head, what are the three major things which we should consider when we design or when somebody has designed operating system. These three principles are pretty simple: convenience, efficiency, and capability. Let's try to understand each of them in detail, how they work and what they are for. Starting with the first thing, convenience. What exactly convenience is about and what convenience is capable of? Convenience in many terms talks about completeness. Now what do you mean by completeness? It is a mapping between the user who has certain needs and OS that somebody has delivered, and how the needs of the users are supported by the OS. So overall, convenience or completeness can be understood as the user needs which we have and how these needs are supported by various features of operating system. For instance, if we consider operating system like Android, initially when they started, they never had any screen capture, never had any other option of security other than the PIN and the pattern locks. Soon they picked up. User needed screen capture, they gave a moving hand screen capture. User needed better security, they gave pattern security, and the recent one entry coming to the thumb or a fingerprint security. So convenience completeness talks about one simple feature: what all the needs user ever had, are they supported completely, partially, and if so, how they are supported. So the first point, convenience, can be mean as the completeness, how the need of users can be completely supported by the operating system. The second need of objective of operating system is efficiency. Now efficiency is with reference to what? Efficiency mainly refers to the hardware utilization. That means how hardware is being used by the operating system, or are they used to the best of the ability. Another thing of understanding efficiency would be how efficiently operating system can be used by the user. So there comes two factors when it comes to efficiency. Is your operating system hardware wise efficient? That means utilization is 100% to its ability. With reference to user, is user 100% satisfied by the current version of the operating system? And mapping both the needs, we talk about the concept of throughput. Throughput, which simply means that the outcome. Are you happy with what outcome your operating system is giving? That is with reference to both the hardware which it has on which it is running and the user which is using the operating system. Together, efficiency would talk about the hardware as well as the user, hardware with 100% or a maximum utilization which is possible, and user with 100% or the best of the satisfaction of the user, together which carries throughput and which will decide the outcome of the system. Efficiency can also be understood as the ease, how easily a person can adapt to your operating system. If you go back in history, Linux, which is still considered to be a very sturdy operating system, is still not being the most popular for one simple reason. Linux OS had a very basic GUI, or rather initially it never had any GUI. It was working with all command prompt. Windows at the same time, that is Microsoft Windows, started with the concept of GUI with Windows 3.1. Today we see every second PC running Windows and hardly some hardcore professional or coders running Linux. Reason being that it's simple: the efficiency. The ease at which Microsoft understood the need and the change and mapped it to the availability of the hardware and GUI made Microsoft what it is today. So efficiency is about hardware and users 100% satisfaction or utilization, or to simply the throughput, which is the outcome of the operating system.